Hello everyone. Welcome to the stream. How are you guys? Bro, how to join community, brother? If you're interested, you can DM me on my Instagram. So this is the level I'm talking about for gold. This is this low and 4100 level. It's my interested level for today. And I'm about to live yesterday, but I was quite busy. That's why I cannot come live yesterday. But yesterday was a very good moves on gold. Like this one, I already predicted before. It came down to this low, retraced back to this fair value gap, pushed down. Everything is on our Telegram channel. I share everything on breakdown about this one, about gold, about Euro USD, about Nasdaq. Even on Euro USD, I'm still holding this trade. I'm still holding this trade on Euro USD. It was holding from yesterday, and let's see on this one. I'm still holding this trade, and on Nasdaq, I got this move somewhere from this level. I got this moves once here and one more from here as well. So it was a very nice one. And today also I'm expecting a little bit more lower price on Nasdaq, but let's see for that price. Yeah, even on Sunday, I just sent the market analysis about this week on Sunday on our Telegram channel. Um, so I sent for Euro USD, I've sent for GU, GBP USD, and even I sent for gold, and everything is running smoothly with perfection. So it was a good week for me as well. And let's see, we have CPI in next 10 minutes, guys. S&P 500. Hmm. For this one, I'm expecting a quick move downside first, and we can get some retracement. Or if we can see some retracement first after the news to upside before taking out this low, it could be good opportunity for us. Let's see. Let's see. Share this live, guys. Share this live. CPI is not yet released, but I'm bearish on gold. Like until this low and until 4,100. Before taking out this low, if it retraces back first, then I will look for sell. But if it go for this level, then I will decide. Like I will be doing scalping. But the direction is bearish. Good evening, brother. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to the stream, guys. And if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, the link is in the description. Join it now. Many more is coming on Telegram channel. Like every weekly review, daily review, everything is coming up, and everything is for free, guys. So take your advantage on that. Good evening. Good evening. We have news in next 6 minutes. So this is where I'm interested. Today, I'm not still uh, trading yet, or I don't took any position yet. I will be looking after 8:30. And but still from yesterday, I'm still holding this trade on Euro USD. And let's see. Na, 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 na. And this is a minor buy side over here, and this tab is very beautiful. Like this is one order block for 15 minutes, and this one is a huge gap in higher time frame. So after Asian session in London, it goes up as a retracement for this expansion. It tapped to this gap and it pushed down again. It's beautiful. And for Nasdaq as well, let's see this level here, and This was already taken out, and this it can reach this level once more. This low is already taken out. Nice one. And I will do a market breakdown. So after this all-time high, it was breaking downside, retraced back to this gap, respecting this gap, and it pushed down. So it was a very nice one. Bro, for me, you are the best mentor to guide right in the beginning stage. Appreciate. Thank you so much. Let's see. We have new CPI in next 1.5 minute, guys. Let's wait. Let's see. Okay. This was a minor buy side right over here. Okay. CPI is live, guys. What happened to my internet again? It can take out this low. Gold is coming for this buy side liquidity first. Okay. and DXY started moving. For DXY, I'm planning for these highs to be taken out. For Nasdaq, I'm still bearish on Nasdaq, but let's see how the market gives us. So yesterday, I will explain on a single video. I will break down everything, but not here in live. So I will make a video on that because I took a sell yesterday from this level, like something like this one, something like this. And again, I took a sell on right over here again. So this is some sort of a scalping, but I will explain you why I'm entering on this level. But everything is recorded, and in this past Sunday, I sent a market analyze for this coming week, so everything is online. So if you are part of the our Telegram channel, then you could understand what I'm talking about. Let me check. Let me check. Mm, let's check the news again. The internet is very slow. I don't know why. If you want Telegram link, the link is in the description, guys. The link is in the description. Yes, today this CPI is already done on I-30, and we have some news, but this is not for US dollar. This is for Canadian dollar. So it will not that much impacted with gold and all, with Nasdaq and all. But let's see. The most important one is this one. I'm looking for this news. Okay. I don't know why. Like this time, like from this 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. my time, from last 2 to 3 weeks, I face a lot of problem with the internet. The net is very slow on this time. I don't know why. I'm trying to change the network from Airtel to Geo, and again another network, but it was doing the same. But it's not happening on like lately, but I don't know why it's happening to me. It's very laggy. Fuck. I'll show you. Mm, see, like this was on daily time frame. Sorry, I think this was on 4 hour time frame, and I'm sending this one. If it go lower first, taken out this low, then we can look for buy. If it goes up first from this level, then we can look for sell. It's exactly happening like yesterday from Monday. I mean, you can see this one. Yeah. So it was sending on 7th of June. This is on Nasdaq 4 hour time frame. And it was exactly happening right over here, as you can see on 4 hour time frame. I'll show you. So this is the level what I'm talking about on 7th of June, and it was going upside first and then push down to downside. Exactly, you can see right over here. So this is 4 hour level. This is on Sunday. I'm calling out for this level. If it took out first, we can look for buy. On this day, I think this was on Sunday, the goal is closing over 4,320 level, and it can go for some retracement to upside and push down. Okay, so this is the level 4203 and 4,100 level. This is the level I'm talking about. This one right over here, this one and this one. You can also see that level here. I'll show you in 4 hours. Right over here. This was the closing price, this candle, and then it go down first a little bit, retrace back, and it was taken out these highs. And this is also I'm talking on. I'll show you right over here on this day. Like, good morning, folks. I'm still bearish on gold too, but before that, I'm expecting some sort of rally upside as a manipulation before going down, and we have CPI and PPI this week. We'll update you more on this idea. Stay tuned and see this screenshot. This was on I think this is on 2 hour time frame. Sorry, 1 hour time frame. It can take out these highs right over here and push down. See, on 1 hour time frame. Let's see. What happened, bro? Okay, so that's the update, guys, and I'm sending this one gold 4100 level. It was about to hit, but we can see some retracement first. But let's see. We have 9:30 opening, and again we have PPI tomorrow again on Thursday. Can took out these highs. Gold is reacting from this order block, and this is the level I'm looking for. Here, before that, it can take out these highs. I'm still holding this trade, guys. Let me check the proper one. GU, okay. I'm still holding this trade on EU. This was I'm entering from holding from yesterday, by the way. Market analysis, you have to understand the higher time frame first, like daily time frame 4 hour, 1 hour, and then you can come down to lower time frame like 15 minute, 5 minutes. First of all, you have to understand the direction of the market for from higher time frame. I will check something on Twitter again for any update. Bro, how many times did you fail before passing your first funded account? Or did you pass in your first attempt? Okay. I tried my first funded account in 2021. I remember that was from my Forex fund, and it was $5,000 account. That was my first time. And on my first attempt, I blew that account in a single day. And then I buy another account on the same day again. And on my second attempt, I passed the account anyhow, but um, I didn't came to the level where I get my first payout. So I passed that account in my second attempt, and then I blew that again. And I got my first payout from funded account after I think it was after 6 to 7 accounts. After blowing 6 to 7 account, I got my first payout, and then I blew that again, and trial error all the time. And I was get consistent from 2020, early 2024, I guess, a little bit consistent on payouts. So it took time, bro. Like for me, I would say it took me 4.5 years to fully understand the market. Okay, gold is coming down again from this. This is a breaker block, and we have this fair value gap. This is a inversion fair value gap right over here. Nice. I open sell. Okay, on which one? On gold. Any strategies for swing? You can use the same strategies like you are using with lower time frame, but you have to analyze in higher time frame, like 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, even in daily time frame. That's why you can see right over here. I'm sending this one on this Sunday on our free Telegram channel. This one, this for Nasdaq. This was on 4 hour time frame. It can goes up first and goes down and uh, take out this level, or if it goes first downside and taken out this liquidity first, it can reverse back to this level. That's what I'm talking about on Sunday. I'm sending this analysis on Sunday on our channel. Same here. You can see this is again 4 hour. This is the level what I'm talking about. Same here. It goes up first, reacting from this level, and it goes down and taken out this lows, what I mentioned on this one. See. And for gold, it can pull back a little bit and goes down for these three levels. The first level is 4305, second one is around 4260, next one is 4203, next one is 400, 4100 level. So this is on 4 hour time frame. Again, you can see like the market closing is somewhere here. It goes up first, swiping out this liquidity again yesterday, and it breaks down. So it was exactly happening what I mentioned on Sunday, this past Sunday. And again on ZU, this is GBP USD 4 hour time frame. From this one, it can get back to this level and goes down to taken out these lows, even here. So for now, let me show you. For now, it was going upside first, but till now it was respecting this level but not going upside or downside. But I'm hoping it will come down for sure to take out these lows. So this was on the process right now. You can see I'm already sending this analysis on Sunday, and this is for Euro USD. Even this is also for our time frame. It can go first. It can go first, filling this gap from this level somewhere here. It can push downside again. So for now, that's why I'm holding this trade. It goes up first, reacting from this level. Now it can go down and take out this low once again. So everything is on higher time frame. My bias is on coming from higher time frame. So that's why if you are not joining this Telegram channel, you can join it now. Everything is for free. I do analyze daily market, weekly outlooks and all, so that you can help in your trading style or maybe in your bias. You can learn from it. So right now I don't have any interest to trade because everything is very messy right now. Let's see after 9:30 I can get some good quick scalping after 9:30. But for this one I will be still holding until my stop loss or until my TP. This is on higher time frame holding. So on gold, how long can I hold it from 4158? 4158. Brother, it's depend on your stop loss. If you are shorting from this level, I just want to know your risks and your stop loss level, because in my mind it can take out this high first and goes down. That's what I'm expecting. So if you enter in higher time frame, like if your stop loss allows that, I hope gold can reach 4100 level. Na, 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 na. But this was a good one. This is on my another chart. I will show you on another one. Yeah, okay, let's go. My account size is right now I'm trading with 50K. Uh, to 50K account. I don't have 100K right now. I have 250K account and 325K account right now. About news folder, if you are intraday trader, like if there is any red folder news, the only thing it can do is it will be very volatile. Like before, like 5 to 10 minutes before news, and after the news, during the news, it will be very volatile. So Uh, I hope you just wait for the news to happen and trade after the news. Or if you are holding during the news, be careful on that. Na, 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 na. Right here, this will be, this is a minor buy side. I hope if it breaks up this high, then it can go for this level. If it breaks above this high. But still, for higher time frame, I'm still bearish on Nasdaq as well, even in gold. Na, 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 na. If it breaks up, but I want this to happen before 9:30 because in 9:30 opening, it will be, I'm expecting a volatility in the market. So if it doesn't get here before 9:30, then it can go through very quickly, or if it goes down and then comes back again. Let's wait. Let's wait. For GU, um, from this level, it can reach this level once more, and I'm expecting this moves downside. Same thing on Euro USD. I'm still holding this trade from yesterday, and let's see what it gives to me. I'm still very confident that it can take. This is on 4 hour time frame, so it can take out this low once more. Bro, funding pips ki leaderboard ta chalhoriba kangu dubu kaya kamaina trade tawbajano 100% win rate laibaga yawe. That is not trading, bro. That is completely like, I don't know how to explain, but it's kind of a gambling mode. Same with gambling, like because everything is for free, and if they are doing challenges, so 100% win rate. If they are very lucky, then it can go for sometimes, but uh, there is nobody in long term will maintain 100% win rate. No one. You also see on my life, like I'm losing sometimes. I do closing in break even sometimes, and I'm on my winning streak, my losing streak. So as a trader, you have to accept the loss. But if you are really good in managing the risks according to your reward, that's where the sweet spot is. If you are trading for long term, so risk to reward is very important, and risk management. Okay, gold is coming down again. Mm-hmm. Chalo, 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 chalo. I'm looking for this level, 4,100 level. Or before getting this one, it can goes up first, taken out this short-term liquidity upside, and push down again. Na, 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 na. US inflation rise to 4.2. Gold, 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 gold. Gold is about to break down this low. Let's see. I want to see the candle closer. 15 minutes. This is again 30 minutes. 1 hour. About 3 hour. 4 hour. So if gold came down first before taking out this high, it can do a very quick reversal. I'm expecting that. Yep, yep, yep. Thank you for reminding, brother. DXY is again dropping again. It was dropping this from this level. You can see this gap right over here. This gap. This is opening range gap. Let me check 3 hour. About four. Mm, 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 mhm, mhm, mhm. Nas is still respecting this level, but 9:30 will be in next 6 minutes, so it can do a very quick job. Let's see. I catch 200 pips on goal. Good for you, brother. Well done. Na, 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 na. What is doing on S&P? Yup, 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 yup. Every level is very important. I want to see one thing. Okay, okay. This is also a very good level. Same thing for gold. This one, okay. Let's see, let's see, let's see. We have 3 minutes until opening. Still respecting this level. This is a very good level on S. But for now, after 9:30, it can take out this high first or this low first. But overall, like for this week, I'm expecting Nasdaq will be still go lower. That's my view on Nasdaq. Nine, eight, seven, six, five, four, three, two, one. Oh, oh, fuck. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh boy. Na, 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 na. Pen in a liver. It needs to respect this level if it wants to go higher, like if it wants to take out this minor buy side. This is again London's high, so lots of liquidity will be here. And above this high, we have the opening gap. Okay, okay. Mhm. चलो 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 चलो. $300 profit in gold. Nice one. GU sweeps this high. Okay, okay. This is sell side. Nice one, nice one, nice tap, nice tap. DXY is still going lower. Hmm. Let me check on this one. La 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 la. Nice one. See this level. Chalo, chalo, chalo. See this one. It's inversion fair value gap. Maybe gone goal. Coming for this liquidity again. Buy side short term liquidity. Beautiful price. Nice, nice, nice. You can do copy trading in the same um, account, like if you have multiple accounts from funding pips, you can do copy trading on that. Likewise, you can do copy trade uh, in, but you can't copy trade from different firm to another firm. And if you are trading with futures, you can do it easily. There is no doubt on that. But for CFD, you can do copy trading in some firms. In some firms, they didn't allow. But if they allow also, you can copy trade from different companies to another company. This is a gap right over here. We have, this is a midnight opening. Let me see something. Okay. Gold buy side is taken out. Beautiful. What about silver? Okay, we have a small divergence with silver. It was taken out this low, but on gold, this was not taken. Let me check on 15-minute time frame. Yep, on 15-minute time frame as well, it was taken out this low, but on gold it wasn't. Mm -mm, mm -mm, mm -mm, mm -mm, mm. All right, all right. reacting from this gap for ES for futures, and this is on CFD indices. After taken out this high again, minor buy side for London's high. Hello, brother. Hi, hi, hi. Does GFT firm allow copy trading? Appreciate your concern. Um, they allow in some concern, so you have to read their rules first, brother. But for me, I don't do any copy trading within my funded account. But I hope they allow that. But first of all, for your confirmation, please read their rules first. Yep, my interested on goal is to reach 4100 level. Okay, but for now, as I mentioned before, it can take out this high. It already done this one, and we have PPI as well tomorrow. So this is a huge expansion to downside. So it can do a little bit of retracement first, and it can continue lower. 1 hour. This is 3 hour time frame, and yep, this is 4 hour. Na 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 na. Oh, oh, oh. It can come for this level. Hmm. Lots of divergence. If this came down, this will be the nice one. Nada aparente tocará cancha, cancha. Oh, oh, mhm. Let's see for the price. Okay. Hmm. Um, Solid. Okay. Goal से Na, 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 na. Brother, I think they didn't allow to use 80% of your drawdown margin. I think you breached that rule. Let's say, for example, you have $100 and still you have $100 to risk, like maybe daily drawdown or over drawdown. So out of that $100, for example, you lose $50 in first trade, but still you have $50, and for that $50, uh, what will be the 80% of that $50? It will be around $40, right? So you can't risk more than $40 on that $50 risk. So out of your overall drawdown, you can't risk more than 80% of your margin. I think you breached that rule. But if you breach on that rule, and if you are on challenge phase, I think they give you one more retry from beginning.